Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to How to Guide YouTube channel, and in today's YouTube video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how you guys can make PDF file on Android phone. In another word, portable document format. The full form of PDF is that, if you guys did not know. But if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on to get notified for our future video and to get more knowledge just like this. Just like now you guys knew the full form of PDF, portable document format. Let's get right into the video. So if you guys want to create a PDF of a photo, then you can basically use your Google Drive. So you want to go to your Google Drive on your phone, and basically what you want to do is you want to click on the plus icon over here. Wait for some time, it's not appearing, it might take some time. As you guys can see, it appeared. You can click on the plus icon now, and you can click on scan. And after you click on scan, it's gonna take you to your phone's camera, and you can click a random photo just like this. Let me click a photo over here. After clicking a photo, you can click on the tick mark over here. After clicking on the tick mark, you want to click on save. It's gonna be saved in PDF, as you guys can see, .pdf. So you want to click on save, and the photo has been saved in PDF. You want to click on save. Now the photo has been saved in PDF. Now you can share it if you want. Now for document, let me go to my Google Docs. You need to download this Google Docs over here and open it. And after it opens up, you want to click on the plus icon and create a document. And after the document is created, it's going to be saved in a PDF format. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it for a document as well. So you need to download Google Docs and Google Drive. I think Google Docs and Google Drives like come in your phone. You just don't have to download it. But if you do, then you can just go to Play Store or App Store to download it. So it's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.